Welcome to Clifton. Today I'm here to show you a full video walkthrough of a fantastic farmhouse which sits in the heart of the village. Now this is Town End Farmhouse. It's a Grade 2 listed property offering around 2,300 square foot of accommodation. It's got a large plot, it's got ample parking, it's got some small outbuildings to the rear, but internally this property has been renovated to an extremely high standard by the current owner. It's a superb location, so we sit just on the A6 which runs through the village. We've got the very popular George and Dragon pub just behind me and a really well regarded primary school just up the road. The home itself is full of luxurious fixtures and fittings. It's been completed to an incredibly high standard and is absolutely beautiful and ready to move into. It's got ample parking and some beautiful views. So let me spin the camera around, show you the street scene, then we'll go inside this fantastic property. So this is the street scene, this is the external view of Town End Farmhouse, and this is the main road which takes us from Clifton up towards Penrith. The popular George and Dragon is just straight across the road there, and the village school is just up on the left hand side. The road leads through and round and takes us up towards Hackthorpe and up towards Shap. Now as you can see here, we've got a superb in-out driveway, lots of parking for a number of vehicles, and we'll explore the outside space when we come towards the end of the video. But there is a lovely large garden just to behind here, and there's some outbuildings to the rear of the property. Before we look outside, let's go inside and show you this fantastic home. So as we walk in, you'll start to see the superb fixtures and fittings, and there's a fantastic combination here of styling. So we've got some traditional features combined with some modern additions. So we've got nice LED lighting, we've got some painted beams, and the first room we come into is one of 3 reception rooms. As you can see here, we've got a nice window there with a lovely window seat. We've got a fireplace with a wood burning stove. We've got this lovely flooring which extends all the way through the downstairs, creating a really seamless feel to the space. So this is one of 3 reception rooms. Then as we come across through the doorway, you'll see you've got a nice stripped wood doorway here. We've got a snug music room study, a flexible use space depending on what your family needs are looking for. We've also got a bespoke fitted wall of cabinets here and bookshelves, making this a really useful working from home space, or a library, or a snug, just however you want this room to be. There's lots of options here. You can see that light streams in through those lovely windows, and you've got window seats in here as well. Then coming through into the central hallway, so this is where we're going to go up to the left, up to the first floor, and just give you a glimpse there of some exposed stone, a fantastic wooden staircase, some nice alcove lighting. But before we go up there, we're just going to take you into the 3rd reception room, which is the dining room, which sits across the hallway here. And this is a really cosy room. It's a great space. We've got nice high ceilings, central pendant lighting there, nice window, and again this lovely flooring which extends all the way through. We've got a storage cupboard just to my right hand side, and then we come through into the heart of the home. This is a superb dining kitchen. Now this has got an abundance of storage space here, lots of cabinets. You've got space for some freestanding white goods, you've got space for the cooker. Again, as you've got with the rest of the home, LED lighting, but in here we've actually got some original meat hooks as well there if I pan my camera up to the top. So this is a Grade 2 listed property, so it does have an age, but it's very deceiving. So when we're walking to here from the first exterior picture, you wouldn't expect to have all this space here. This is a really large space. Now, if you're wanting to perhaps reconfigure this space, there's plenty of space in here for a island unit or a dining table, depending on, again, what you're looking for. But we've got a lovely view out to the garden to the side. We'll go out there at the end of the video, but just panning the camera around, you can see this is a superb kitchen. It doesn't end there, because as we go through, we come into a pantry area with a door out to the garden, space for washing machine, tumble dryer. Then extending round, we've got a shower room, which is just here. Let's put the light on. And then that comes through into a pantry room as well. So we've got some original stone slabs here and the gas boiler and the workings for the heating in there as well. So this is a great utility space. If I just stand back here at the doorway to the kitchen, we've got utility room, downstairs shower room, perhaps that could be converted into a dog shower, or it's a perfect place for you to have wellies, boots, coats, and a nice pantry room there as well. This is connected to the rear to a little workshop space as well, so perhaps there's further development potential here as well as an annex subject to the relevant planning consents. So then coming back and we'll look at the first floor here. So we've got a beautiful staircase, a nice wooden staircase with the carpet inlay. There's wall carpets throughout the upper floors of this property. And as we walk up the stairs, you'll see we've got some really super alcove lighting, nice areas to feature books and ornaments. Each of these have got a lovely wooden window ledge. And at the turn in the stairs as we come up, you get a better glimpse of that wall and onto a lovely landing space. So there's a lot of character up here, and each room has an abundance of character. So this is the landing. Master bedroom sits just behind me here, and this is a great space. So again, you've got high ceilings, nice beams, plenty of space for storage, and you've got a really good space here. You've got a lovely sash window which looks out towards the garden space. And then across we have a really large ensuite, which is a brilliant space. So we've got a large walk-in shower, we've got a bath which is huge, and round the corner we've got a nice modern hand basin and a loo. So this is a huge ensuite, it's massive. Then as we come out of the master bedroom, back onto the landing, round the corner, from here we've got 3 further bedrooms and another bathroom. So bedroom number 2 sits just to the right hand side, a great sized double room, again beam ceiling, nice window seat, those lovely windows, lovely feel to underneath my feet here with the wool carpets underneath, and the nice combination of the radiators, but the old style radiators in keeping with the age of the property. And then as we come down the hallway, you can really see the age, you can see the features of the exposed stone and some wood in there. Perhaps this is a fireplace a long time ago. The walls in this home will be able to tell lots of stories, I'm sure. This is bedroom number 3, another great sized double room, and similar features to the others with the LED lighting, beam ceiling, window seats, but some fantastic proportions. Then right at the end here, we've got bedroom number 4. Now this is currently used as a study, but you'll see from the furniture here, this is perfectly placed for being another bedroom or a music room or a craft room. Just because you've got 4 bedrooms doesn't mean to say they've all got to be 4 bedrooms, because this is a light-filled room, and we're having this as a working from home space and looking out over to the village. You can see there, you've got some super light coming in, and again all those features as you've seen in all the rest of the rooms. To the right hand side here we've got a loo, which is a standalone loo, and we come across the hallway to a shower room. So this is like an ensuite facility for that end bedroom, perhaps for a guest bedroom. Lovely features like the wooden storage space here, but combined with a modern rainfall shower attachment, lovely flooring and vanity unit. So as you've seen, we've got a fantastic combination of modern yet traditional. We've got the grade 2 listed, but we're completely ready to move into. So if you're looking for a historic home, then this is a super opportunity. You've got the combination of all those parts sitting within a desirable village where you've got easy links to Penrith, to Shap. You can walk out from here and go across to the Lowther Park. There's walks on the doorstep, and you're in such an accessible location. I mean, look at that as a hallway. That's a lovely hallway to walk down every day to get your breakfast. So internally, we are completed to an incredibly high standard. Externally, I'm going to show you the spaces because you won't understand the space to the rear without us going out to the back. And to do so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around from the front door and show you all the way around. But just so you're aware, there is a door over here that will give us access on other days. So as I say, just coming out from the front door, what you've got here is you've got a path which takes us all the way round, and you've got so much parking here with a fantastic in-out driveway, so parking for a number of vehicles. So if you're looking for a home that serves a growing family with teenagers with cars, then this is perfect. You can get easy access and easy parking here as well. So coming around, because we can get all the way around this home, I'm going to just step back walk through these vehicles here, and there's a gate just in here, but we're not going to go that way today. I'm going to go around the other side because I'm keen to show you a little bit of space where if you're looking for a project, you've got further development potential subject to the relevant planning consents. And that is part of this building to the end here. Now this is currently used as a workshop, a storeroom. It's ideal if you're wanting to have somewhere for storage, but we can get into it through this side gate, and this is the gate into the garden. Now you can see here this is a great size. We've got a nice gate here giving more access in for vehicles, and the garden extends down to the bottom point there. As we come around, this hedge is our boundary, and we've got a lovely private terrace here as well. So this is the door that takes us into the utility space, and if you have a little look inside here, get it open so I'm not as prepared as I should be. This is a great barn space, so if you're looking for somewhere to develop a little bit further, this is a super opportunity. Alternatively, it's a place to store your Christmas trees, your suitcases, everything that you need to have as a family. And that's all access just through the utility space here. So this is a nice undercover area for you to take your boots, your wellies, your coats off, and then go straight in through the stable style door into the utility space. But what it also has is a nice elevated terrace here, a sheltered terrace here, and then up the steps we've got a range of outbuildings. Now before we look at those, just give you a glimpse there, it's worth noting that the vendors are currently exploring options here to get planning permission to create another dwelling on this garden space. So if you're looking for a property where you can future develop, then in the fullness of time, if this gets granted, then there might be a building plot there. It is being sold with the house. It could be the garden space as an extension to your home, but perhaps there's another option there depending on what your family needs are. So then looking at these outbuildings, we've got a number of little piggeries here. So lots of storage spaces. Again, if you're looking for something to develop, maybe this would be a great conversion into an Airbnb, into maybe a bunkhouse to generate an income. All of this is subject to the relevant planning consents, but it's really charming. It gives you a nice idea of the history of this property. Each one's individual and currently used for storage. And then round to the side here, we've got a nice sheltered terrace, and the cars that we saw at the beginning of the external walkthrough are just behind those trees there, giving you lots of privacy from neighbouring properties and lots of privacy from the rest of the village. It's also worth noting that just in a couple of miles direction, in this direction, we've got the very popular Lowther Castle, all the walks that are associated with the Lowther Valley, and all of those are available just from your doorstep. What a super property. So if you're looking for a home in a desirable village that's close to Penrith, it's close to the Lake District National Park, it's got walks on your doorstep, and it's a surprisingly large house. This home is like a TARDIS. It's got 2,300 square foot of living accommodation and is beautifully presented. This video perhaps isn't showing you the luxurious elements that are included in this home, but the finishings are second to none. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you'd like more information on this fantastic 4-bedroom grade 2 listed property in Clifton, then please do give us a call on 01768 881111, and we'd love to give you some more information.